Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing really good today. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the best online business to start in 2020 as a beginner. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back. My name's Sergio with Serge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, but I also talk a lot about passive income and making money online. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so now and hit the bell to receive notifications on my upcoming videos. There's going to be links in the description down below to all the information that I talk about in this video, and let's continue with the video. All right, so you may be asking yourself, what is the best way to get started making money online in 2020 with so many business opportunities out there at the moment, ranging from e-commerce, selling on Amazon, email marketing, lead generation business, affiliate marketing, selling courses, ebooks, digital products, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, blogging, and the list goes on and on. There are just unlimited ways of making money online nowadays. So you may be a little bit confused and you may be asking yourself, as a beginner, which one is the best one to get started with to see faster results? And that's what I'm going to be breaking down in this video. So in this channel, I'm all about creating long-term passive income. So any advice that I give you is not going to be just advice just to make a quick buck. It's going to be advice towards building an online business that's going to last you a very long time and that's going to keep bringing in reoccurring income every single month as long as you continue to work and maintain it. So after giving this list some hard thought, I came to the conclusion that the best online business for a beginner to get started with in 2020 is going to be affiliate marketing. And the reason I chose affiliate marketing is because it's the simplest way to get started with also not having to invest any money up front. With other businesses like e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon FBA, you have to invest money up front in order to get products and make sales. Unless if you're doing drop shipping, which is pretty much just bringing in traffic to products and just sourcing it from other sellers that ship it directly to the buyers. But the profit margins on this is pretty low, so I personally wouldn't recommend to get started with this business route. The reason I chose affiliate marketing, like I said, is because it's free and it's going to help you also gain a ton of important knowledge to making money online. And also it's going to help you in starting to create content to build your business through YouTube and your website, which can then lead to other online businesses as well. But affiliate marketing is a great way to get started. So to get started in affiliate marketing, what you're going to need is you're going to need either a YouTube channel to start creating content about whatever product or products you're going to affiliate market for, or a website, which the website is also going to be geared towards those products that you're going to be affiliate marketing. So you're going to select a certain niche, you're going to create a YouTube channel to create valuable content for that audience in that niche, and you're going to do the same for the website as well so that you can rank on SEO and bring in extra traffic through the website. I suggest you do both. Don't just stick to one so that you can take advantage and bring in as much traffic as possible. So all you're going to have to do after creating your YouTube channel and website, you can create your website. There's many different website creation platforms nowadays just to make it easy for you. If you're a beginner, you might not have that much experience creating websites, so you can use different website creators like Wix, Weebly. You can also use WordPress, which has been around for a very long time, and it's also very easy to use, but believe it or not. And once you get the hang of it, it will be beneficial because WordPress websites tend to rank better on SEO. So it's completely free. You're going to create content for your website and for your YouTube channel. So in the niche that you have chosen, find a product or products that you're interested in reviewing, and you're going to create free videos. This is also going to get you used to creating videos so you can create more content, and you're going to spread this on all social media platforms. You're going to create videos for your YouTube channel, and off of that same YouTube video, you can create a post for, let's say, your Instagram and Facebook so that you can grow everything together at the same time. and for your website as well. You can create a blog post with information regarding the video that you just created for YouTube. And remember, the more content you put out on all of these platforms over time, the more you will grow. And then once you start creating content over time, you will start bringing more and more traffic in to those affiliate links that you are promoting on your YouTube videos and websites, and you will start generating sales. And like I said, you don't have to buy any inventory, because all you're doing is pretty much just sending traffic to the sellers, and they'll take care of everything else, and they'll electronically send you commissions every single month for the total of commissions for the entire month. And you can become an affiliate marketer for most major companies nowadays. The biggest one is Amazon Associates. You can also become an affiliate for eBay, which is called eBay Partners Network. And the great thing is that it's free to become an affiliate marketer for them, and they don't really have any restrictions, so anyone can do it. Once you start bringing in a lot of traffic over time and you start getting the hang of it, you can take your affiliate marketing business and change it up. You can then become an e-commerce business and start selling your own products. There's many things you can do over time and change it up and start making more profits. But affiliate marketing, like I said, is a great way to begin so that you can start getting the hang of advertising online, creating content, just because it's free and so simple, and anyone can do it. And this business model that I just explained to you is the best one in my opinion, because it's something that you're gonna consistently grow over time. It will take some time to grow little by little, but once it starts growing, it's just something that's gonna keep on growing and like a snowball effect, so that you can start receiving passive income and have financial freedom. All right, everyone, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you got some value out of it. Let me know what online business you are thinking about starting in 2020. I would love to hear. Give this video a like, it really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.